Element
me at
1,
least.
releasing brakes in 3, 2, 1, go. Power 80. Element 2, cliff takeoff.
Element 2, releasing brakes in 3, 2, 1, now. Pushing to 80, now.
Element 3, cliff takeoff.
Element 3, release brakes in 3, 2, 1. Release powerful.
Element 1, rotating. Element 1, gear up. Element 4, cliff takeoff.
Element 2,
Element 4,
rotate.
brakes release in 3, 2, 1. Brakes released, full throttle.
Element 2, gear up.
3,
Element 1,
rotate.
rolling right now. Element 5, cliff takeoff.
Gears coming up.
Yes, come on.
Power to 80.
Element 1,
Element
flaps
2,
out.
rolling right.
Element 1, rolling out now.
Element 3, rolling right now.
Oh, bollocks.
Holding.
P35 might be right on at least one of them because I
Element
have the
2,
wrong
rolling
controls on.
out now.
Section 2 lead, pulse track, please.
Loud and clear. Stop shooting.
Alpha.
Yes,
Rolling
boss.
out.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yep. Okay, go.
Okay. Brake and reformed.
Elements
Yeah,
4 and 5, how are we doing on that reform?
Good-ish.
Roger that. Nicely done, folks. Okay, Ardennes formation. Stand by. Rolling out. Now. Loosening on the pole.
Current speed.
198 knots. In a slight descent, increasing through 200.
Crusader Titan formation.
Getting a very slight descent now.
Pull up a
Alright,
little bit
folks.
more ascendant.
All the work, all the effort, it all comes down to this. Here we go, folks. Best of luck. Commencing
Keep
3
comms
flight
clear.
paths.
Comms clear.
And Ardennes formation. Stand by to bank to the left. 207 knots. Ardennes formation. Rolling left. Now. Tightening. Holding the bank. Now. We'll tighten if needed. No, we're right on the money.
There you go.
Stand by to level. Rolling out. Now. Loosening on the pull.
Fuck. That's right.
Yep.
First pass complete. Right, second pass will be a break for elements 5 and 4. I'll brief that momentarily. Nice job everyone so far. Just keep it tight, keep it clean. Here we go. I'm about to bank to the right in a few seconds. Right, so positioning there, okay. Ardennes formation. Rolling out. Now, loosening on the pull. Right, elements 5 and 4 break for you on this pass coming up as follows. Element 5, Memorial 3, Mortal, flat break to the left, Memorial 2, Spooky, flat break to the right, and Memorial 1, climbing into a vertical sort of copy. Element 4, Lone Star, flat break to the left, Crusader, flat break to the right, and Dixie Dagger pulling into a climb. Do you guys copy?
Affirmative.
Who's typing?
It's a foot
Blizzard.
stamping, it's a bit, yeah, it's fine. I think, at least from what it sounds like to me. Anyway, stand by, elements 5 and 4.
Scott.
Scott.
It's not me. I'm not doing anything.
It's going
It
through your
is.
mic.
My mate's triggered though, so I'm gonna.
I think it's him moving his stick around. It's just probably him moving it back and forth from the
That's
prop
clear,
brush and stuff.
please. Element 5, clear of display box. Ready, break, break, go. Element 4, ready, and break, break, go. You guys all fucking smashed it. You guys are clear to land. Elements 1, 2, and 3, continuing with me for the final pass.
Copy that.
Okay, element 3, Elvington, flat brake to the right, Ramstein to the left, Venerable pulling into a climb, copy.
Copy.
Holding the bank now, we'll tighten in a moment. Element 2, Tempest, Reaper, peel brake right, Flays, climbing into a climb, and Binbrick, peel left, copy.
Copy.
You'll break right.
Copy.
Copy that.
Peel left.
Increasing the bank and tightening now. Element 1, brake as follows, Hawk, Enid left, and Merlin,
Wow.
Enid right. Do you guys copy? Elements 1, 2, and 3, rolling out now. Easing out on the pull. Element 3, stand by. Element 3, ready, and brake, brake, go. Element 2, ready, and brake, brake, go. And element 1, final time, ready, brake, brake, go.
Good fucking shit, boys.
Woohoo!
Which side are we landing on?
The
Is it
same way
the-
we
Same
took
way
off.
we took off. As
like
per
that.
usual, mate.
I don't know. They like to swap it up every now and again.
No, you don't.
No, we never swapped.
No, never do.
No,
That's
no,
because you're not
no.
been attending
my
practice.
God.
Shut up!
Get this
One of
way.
the variations
Woohoo!
I've happened before. Fabulous.
Fucking outstanding work by everyone, especially...
Did we win?
No, we haven't won, you muppet.
Especially Scott.
What?
Especially not Scott. Nah, I'm just kidding.
I was going to say, especially since we haven't had relatively that much training, considering how many aircraft we just flew in a formation together, which was totaling around, I think, 17. So, yeah.
15 aircraft.
Also, quick note, that was the first time we ever had every member, at least every planned member absent. Present. Excuse
We
me.
have an
Never
absent person. Deck isn't here.
Avro as
Not
well.
allowed.
Yeah.
We were missing 2
Avro
from
as
as
well.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. But I mean, we've always trained with 6 from HWF, 3 from JDS, 3 from Heaven Sentinels, and 3 from BoBMF, and everyone
right.
was here.
Affirmative. And
Turning
everyone
into
performed
approach.
magnificently.
I'm in the final.
I'm down.
Nice one.
After a cool quest.
Wait, so you won?
What?
How come I'm in the
What?
final?
Nice
Nah.
one, Scott.
I don't know. I didn't like that. I didn't like my performance on that.
It's
You've
really-
not been in for months.
Can
making
I?
yourself
Can you
incredible.
vacate the
Fucking
runway,
And
please?
second.
Oh, he's
No,
not
that
in
was
the
spot
Please
on.
do not try and kill me, Cookers.
When you're down,
go
taxi all the way to the next available taxiway, please. Keep going all the way down. You'll be coming up on the right-hand side.
Ryan, you're very close to me.
I saw that. I'm going around.
No. Stick with it if you want. But
Oh,
Too
nice
late. I
spun.
already. Okay.
Nice spun. Come on.
Roger.
Nice landing there, Scott. Should we keep these planes or we can
If-
go?